So this is the introduction video of JLPT N5 crash course. In this video, we will discuss what all things which we will cover in the crash course. How is it different from Travel to Japan series, and what all things we should keep in mind. So this N5 crash course is basically, in this crash course we will learn different scripts like hiragana, katakana, basic kanji, basic or important grammar patterns and important vocabulary words with some reading and listening practice, so that you are well versed with the practice and you can appear for the exam. But one thing you need to keep in mind: if you will depend or rely only on this crash course for studying the N5, then you won't be able to clear the exam, or it will be very difficult for you to clear the exam, because we will be only covering important things. We will not cover all the things. So if you want us to cover all the things, then you will have to join a live classes. In the live classes we start from zero, and if you will join a live classes, then you can rely on us that now you have more and more chances of clearing the exam, okay? Because we will cover from zero and we will cover everything of N5. In this crash course we will only cover important things which are essential for you to know, so that it's like a quick revision for you if you are revising after you are done with the preparation of your JLPT N5. So this is for those, okay? We will cover all the important things, but if you want us to cover all the things, then you will have to join our live classes, okay? Now, another thing that you need to keep in mind: how is it different from another series that is currently going on in this channel, which is Travel to Japan. So Travel to Japan series is in Travel to Japan series we are only covering basic we are covering basic of basics, okay? So we will only cover basic things, and like how we should introduce, how we should greet, what should we say when we are entering the room, how we should ask for the direction or railway station. But when it comes to N5, it is totally different from the basic. It is totally different from just greetings and introduction, because N5 has much more syllabus. N5 has much more things to cover when compared to Travel to Japan series. So Travel to Japan series is only for those people who are not interested in learning Japanese, but they want to be well versed with the basics of Japanese, so that when they are traveling to Japan, they are ready and they don't face any problem. So Travel to Japan series is for those people. But for N5, people who are serious for N5, they should definitely start preparing themselves. If they are not joining the live classes, they should definitely go through all the online resources, videos which are available with our crash course, so that they are well versed and they are giving their 100%. Then only they will be able to clear the exam, okay? So with the crash course, they should also give time to self study, which is very, very important in N5. So this was the introduction video. Now all the topics which we will cover will be in the videos which we will be uploading after this video. So this was just introduction, and so if you have subscribed to our channel, then thank you, and if you have not subscribed, then please consider subscribing, because it really motivates us to create more series for you, and it really motivates us so that we can give our best to you. And so this was it. It was a very basic introduction video of JLPT N5 crash course, which all topics we will be covering, how is it different from Travel to Japan series, and what all things you should keep in mind if you are appearing or if you are preparing for the JLPT N5. Self study and 100% dedication and 100% going through all the resources is must, okay? So for live classes, you can just drop us an email, and we will we will enroll you, and we will get you aboard, and you can just start learning with the live classes if you want to join the live classes. So this was the basic introduction, and in the next video we will start with the JLPT N5 crash course scripts.